In this video, we will discuss and compare ChatGPT versus Gemini. So this actually compares, or this actually depends on what is your definition of better. So ChatGPT is best for creative writing, complex coding, and general tasks, as well as custom GPTs. Meanwhile, Google Gemini is best for real-time research with data analysis and Google integrations. They are both accessible via web browsers, with ChatGPT browsing in Bing and paid tiers, and Google Gemini is integrated for Google search on current data. It can also be integrated via Microsoft products, so you can use ChatGPT with Microsoft. Meanwhile, the Google Gemini can be integrated via Google Workspace applications. Regarding its modalities, the ChatGPT has image analysis and regeneration, which is DALL-E, and video generation, which is Sora. Meanwhile, Google Gemini is built for text, image, audio, and video and features video generation for VO. For the context, ChatGPT typically have 128,000 tokens in started models, while Gemini have around 1 million tokens for large files. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.